Take thin cuttings from a healthy oleander tree from previous year's growth. Wrap it in wet newspaper and enclose in a polythene bag while you prepare for other things. Make pencil thick cuttings 6 to 8 inch long. Remove all the leaves. Mix potting soil and river sand in equal amount. This is a free draining rooting medium for rooting cuttings. Take a small pot with many drainage holes and fill it with this soil mixture. Water the soil and wet it at all the points. Place the pot in shade for half an hour to drain excess water. The cuttings will root without rooting hormone, but if you apply rooting hormone, it will speed up root growth. You can use a chemical rooting hormone or aloe vera gel as a natural rooting hormone. Make a hole in soil and insert the cutting about 2 inch deep. Do not push. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot. Place the bag at a warm place in shade. Open the bag every week and if you see soil drying, then add a few drops of water in the soil. Close the bag again. The cuttings will root in 1 to 3 weeks depending on temperature and age of cuttings. You will see new leaves and even roots coming out from bottom holes of the pot. Transplant the cuttings in free draining soil in a pot or ground. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos and to know when the new videos are posted.